Creating animations in Animate 2020. Topics covered: creating symbol and instances, importing image to the library, creating classic tween animation, creating shape tween animation, creating motion guide animation. Symbols and instances. A symbol refers to any reusable object such as still image, movie clip, button or text. It is stored as a part of the Animate document. It can be reused many times throughout the document. Animate stores all the symbols in its library. Each Animate document has its own library. You can place a symbol on the stage by creating its instance. An instance is a copy of the original symbol which we drag from the library onto the stage. Every time a symbol is placed on the stage, a new instance of it is created. Cyber tidbits. When we change the properties of a symbol such as its color, shape or size, all its instances are also automatically changed. However, if we make changes in any of the instances, the symbol as well as the other instances of that symbol remain unaffected. Creating a symbol. In Animate, you can create 3 types of symbols: movie clip, button, and graphic. To create a symbol, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Draw any object on the stage. For example, Step 2. Click the selection tool in the Tools panel and select the object you have drawn. Step 3. Click the Modify menu and then click Convert to Symbol. The Convert to Symbol dialog box appears. Step 4. Type a suitable name for the symbol in the Name text box. Step 5. Select the type of the symbol, movie clip, button or graphic, from the Type drop-down box. For example, we have selected graphic. Modify menu. Convert to Symbol dialog box. Step 6. Click on OK. The symbol is added to the library and the object selected on the stage becomes the instance of that symbol. Creating multiple instances of a symbol. You can create multiple instances of the same symbol. To do so, simply drag the symbol from the library panel onto the stage. 2 instances created onto the stage. Changing the properties of an instance. To edit the properties of any instance of a symbol, select the instance whose properties you want to change and change the desired properties from the Properties panel. The changes that you make will only affect the instance and not the symbol or any other instances of that symbol. Changing the properties of a symbol. If you change the properties of a symbol, all the instances of the symbol also get changed. To make changes to the symbol, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Right-click on the name of the symbol from the library panel and click Edit from the shortcut menu that appears. The symbol editing window opens up. Clicking the Edit option. Step 2. Change the properties of the symbol from the Properties panel as per your need. Step 3. Once all the changes have been made, click the Back button on the editor bar above the stage. Properties of the symbol changed. All instances are also changed. Importing an image to the library. In addition to drawing an image on the stage, you can also import an image in the Animate library from an external source. To do so, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the File menu, point to Import and then click Import to Library option from the sub-menu that appears. The Import to Library dialog box appears. Import to Library option. Step 2. Locate the image you want to import and select it. Step 3. Click the Open button. The selected image is imported to the library. Step 4. Place this image onto the stage by dragging it from the library to the stage. Resize the image using the free transform tool, if needed. Creating animations. Animation is the illusion of movement created by showing a series of still pictures in rapid succession. The Animate movie consists of a series of frames and keyframes where each keyframe contains a picture that is slightly different from that on the previous frame or keyframe. When these frames and keyframes are displayed rapidly, we get an animation. Creating a classic tween. The classic tween animation is created to animate the movement of an object on the stage. We need to specify only the initial and final position of the object in keyframes. Animate automatically creates the intermediate frames of movement. To create a motion tween of a bicycle, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Create a new document and import the image of a bicycle to the library and drag it onto the stage. Step 2. Resize the image using the free transform tool. Convert the image into symbol by following the steps discussed before. Step 3. Double-click the Layer 1 title in the timeline and type bicycle as the layer name. Step 4. Click frame 25 and set the final position of the bicycle. All frames from 1 to 25 are filled up with gray color. Final position of the image. Step 5. Right-click on any frame between 1 and 25 and select the Create Classic Tween option from the shortcut menu. A solid arrow between frames 1 and 25 appears. This indicates that Animate has created the animated frames between frames 1 and 25 to produce a smooth motion tween effect. Step 6. Press the Enter key to preview the animation or press Ctrl plus Enter to play the animation. Creating a smooth classic tween effect. Creating a shape tween. A shape tweened animation is created to animate the transformation, morphing, of one shape into another shape. Cyber tidbits. The difference between the classic tween and shape tween is that the former works with symbols, whereas the latter does not work with objects that are not symbols and are ungrouped. Suppose you want to create shape-tweened animation of a pentagon to 5-point star shape. To do this, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Create a new document. Step 2. Select the first frame and draw a pentagon shape on the stage using the Polystar tool from the Tools panel. Drawing a pentagon. Step 3. With frame 20 selected, delete the pentagon shape and draw a 5-point star again using the Polystar tool. Drawing a star. Step 4. Right-click on any frame between 1 and 20 and select the Create Shape Tween option from the shortcut menu that appears. Animate automatically creates an intermediate shape at this frame and creates the animated frames between frames 1 and 20 to produce the shape tween effect. Choosing the Create Shape Tween option. Step 5. Press the Enter key to preview the animation or press Ctrl plus Enter to play the animation. Playing the shape tweened animation. Motion guide. The classic tweened animation allows you to move an object along a straight line. If you want to simulate the movement of an object on a stage along any arbitrary curved or circular path, you should use the motion guide in Animate. Motion guide lets you define a predetermined path for the movement of an object. Cyber tidbits. Unlike classic tween and shape tween, which are applied on the same layer as that of the object, motion guide tweening is applied on a separate layer. Let us create a motion guide tween to animate the movement of a ball on the stage. Step 1. Open a new document and import the image of a ball to the library. Step 2. Select frame 1 and drag the image of the ball from the library onto the stage at the desired place. Step 3. Resize the image and convert the image of ball into a graphic symbol. Step 4. Right-click on frame 1 of layer 1, where the ball symbol is placed, and click Create Motion Tween from the shortcut menu that appears. The frames are filled with gray color. Step 5. Click on frame 5 and move the ball to a new place. A dotted path will be created on the stage. Step 6. Repeat step 5 for other intermediate frames. A dotted path will be created as soon as you move the ball to different places on the stage. Animate automatically converts the path to a motion path and your ball snaps to the path, creating the motion path. Step 7. Press Ctrl plus Enter to play the movie. You will see that the ball moves along the specified path. Jumping off ball on the specified path.